Hello, it's Mr. Mabry, and we are going to talk about how we're going to review for the map test this year. I have a series of Kahoots that I have either created or copied from other teachers who have made them to work on the map test. And the way we're going to do this is if you're in my class, we'll likely play a Kahoot in class. Like, for instance, the one on the screen here, the Kahoot I've named Hodgepodge because it has a bunch of questions from 3 different years. If you're not in my class, maybe you're absent, maybe you're in ISS for some reason and you have to do this individually, instead of playing the Kahoot, I'm going to show you how you can just look through the questions. Now, playing the Kahoot is one thing. It's fun, it's a good way to review, but we're going to take it up a notch. After we play the Kahoot, or if you're not in class, you're just looking over the questions, we're now going to take our science notebooks out and we're going to scan the Kahoot for 5 questions that you think I really want to remember the key word or concept for this one. And we're going to write it down to help it stick in our brains. Let me show you how we're going to do that. The first thing you're going to need to know is get on your laptop and go to Get Kahoots. You can just type Get Kahoot in your taskbar for Chrome and you'll go to here. Now, to sign in, I'm going to give you my username and account. I've changed my password for these 2 weeks. Oh, it logged me in already. So let me show you how to sign in. You're going to type in Mr. Mabry, and then you're going to type in Congress with a capital C. So capital C-O-N-G-R-E-S-S. The only capital letter is the C. O-N-G-R-E-S-S is all lowercase. Once you get into my Kahoot account, click on My Kahoots, and then find the map review that we did that day. Let's pretend we did the Hodgepodge review. You're going to left click on the link, and then here are all the questions that we just went over. If you left click on Show All Answers, it now shows you the answers to every question. So what I want you to do is to skim the questions and think to yourself, okay, I know this one and this one and this one. Okay, yeah, I totally didn't remember number 4. Number 4 says the more mass an object has, the more this force, it's gravity. Okay, so I need to remember gravity for the map test. So I'm going to take out my science notebook. I'm going to title it Map Review. I'm going to write today's date down, and the first one I need to remember is gravity. And I need to remember that gravity is the more mass an object has, the more gravity it has. Cool. Now I'm going to scan down some more. Okay, I knew about asteroid belt. I knew... I didn't know that about Uranus. But I'm not sure why. So I'm going to skip that one because I'm not sure why. And oh, yeah. I forgot the difference between the fronts, the cold front and the warm front right here. So maybe my next one I'm going to write down is the fronts. So cold fronts are triangles. Occluded are triangles and circles. And stationary fronts are triangles and circles in different directions. And no, I'm typing this on a computer, so I can draw symbols. But if I was doing this on paper, I would be drawing those little symbols on my paper instead of typing it out. Every day we do map testing, we will have 5 big ideas for every day. So Monday, there will be 5 terms or concepts or definitions. Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever days we're doing this. So you can do this at home, you can do this in class, but this is my how-to video for reviewing for the map test. All right, let's get to it.